In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your local account details for receiving money and link a bank account for hassle-free payments on your app. These steps are designed to make your financial transactions seamless and straightforward, ensuring you can manage your money with ease and confidence. Let's start by setting up your local account details. Begin at the home screen of your app. Here, you'll want to look for the plus icon. It's typically located at the top corner. Clicking this icon allows you to add a new currency, an important feature if you're dealing with international transactions. Now, when choosing your currency, opt for one that offers local account details, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. These are popular currencies widely accepted across various platforms, which will be very useful for receiving money directly into your account. Once you've selected the appropriate currency, go ahead and choose Get Account Details. If it's your first time setting this up, don't be surprised if you have to complete some initial requirements. This often involves identity verification, a standard procedure to ensure your account's security and compliance with legal guidelines. Be prepared to provide some necessary personal information and any documents that might be needed. Once you're verified and all set up, you have the power to share your new account details with others. This enables you to receive money from any source that supports transfers to the currency you've selected, which can be ideal for freelancers, business owners, or anyone dealing in multi-currency transactions. Now let's move on to linking your bank account for payments. This step is crucial if you want to streamline your payments process, making transferring funds easier and faster. Start by navigating to the Payment Methods section. Depending on your app version, you might find this under the Settings tab, or it could be located directly within the Payments tab. Once there, select Connected Bank Accounts. This is where you manage any bank accounts linked to your app for sending or receiving funds. Now, to add a new bank account, click on Connect Your Bank Account. The app will guide you through a series of on-screen instructions. It's essential to carefully enter your bank's details here. These typically include the account number, routing number, and possibly your bank's name and address. Additionally, you may need to authorize the link, which might involve logging into your bank account through a secure portal or confirming some details for added security. Following these steps ensures that your bank account is successfully linked, providing a gateway for easy payment processing whenever needed. By setting up both your local account details and linking your bank account, you'll enhance your financial management capabilities significantly, allowing you to handle transactions with confidence and ease. Thank you for tuning in, and remember that these tools are here to make managing your money simpler and more effective.